Greetings of the day. Are you an HR consultant or a recruitment agent? Let me introduce to you a recruitment system that will change your life. This system will give you a lot of visibility in the internet. People will find it easy to apply for the jobs that you post. There are three modules for this recruitment management system. One is the user module, the second one is the employer, and the third one is administrator. This is the main window of Employee site. Employee is one of our customers. Let's start with user. Users are potential employees or job seekers. They need to be able to register in the system and use the system basing a user ID and password. User can create account if he or she does not have an account. User has to fill in personal details, career information, current and past, educational details. User will have to upload his CV as a Word document or PDF. User can submit the details after agreeing to the terms and conditions. Once the user's account has been created, he can add more skills and employment details. User also has the option of uploading the profile picture. He can see full account details and edit his profile. He can create job alerts so that user can get any new updates on the kind of jobs he's looking for. He gets those alerts through email. When an employer posts a job which matches his alert criteria, it appears in the job alerts. User can specify the job he prefers to join. User can search for jobs by categories and location. After the use, user can log out from the account. If the employer has already registered, he can log in using his user ID and password. Otherwise, he has to create the account by filling his details. Once the employer submits his details, the admin will get the email. He will discuss over phone or email the terms and conditions and give you a user ID and a password. Once the deal is done, employer will be able to start using the features, post new jobs, and look for potential candidates for recruitment. There are two methods of posting jobs. First one is posting job with company details, and the other one is third-party authentication. If you mark yes to this option, employer will have to submit website and email address. Employer can choose any of these options. If employer selects the website, the time when the user clicks on the job posted by this company, he will be led into the company's website. If the employer selects email address, user can see the email address of the company instead of company's details. Employer can modify or delete jobs. He can also see responses to the jobs. He can search resumes of job seekers, create folders, save selected resumes. Employer can view saved search results. They can create email templates. For example, call letters. This is useful for sending similar emails to a lot of people. Employer can modify and refine search. He also has the ability to add the company and name and other details of the company. There is only one user admin, and this administrator will be able to manage the details of the entire system. He can add employees, he can add employers, he can edit, delete employers or employees. This is one controlling feature. It is to be used by the owner of the company which purchases the product. You can assign the user ID and password to one of your most trusted employees if required. Admin can see the verified numbers of the users, can create job alerts. He can see users who subscribe to job details. He can see send HR emails to users. He can create options for drop-down lists such as functional area, nationality, education, job skills, designation, industry type. Admin has the ability to control the system inside out. It will save you a lot of time. It will reduce your paperwork and it will help you recruit faster and at a lower cost.